In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit your website on Hostinger following a complete guide for 2024. If you're ready to get started, grab a comfy seat and let's dive in. First things first, open your preferred web browser and head straight to Hostinger's website. You'll need to log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're in, you'll see a dashboard filled with useful tools. Look towards the left side of your screen and click on Websites. This section is your portal to manage and edit all the websites you have hosted on Hostinger. Now that you are in the Websites section, it's time to zero in on the specific site you want to edit. You'll find a list of your websites neatly displayed. Find the one you need and click on Edit Website. This option will open up the editing interface specifically designed for customizing your site. When you land on the editing interface, you'll notice a menu filled with various elements you can modify. Let's walk through some of the essential components you might want to update. First, let's talk about the content of elements. Here, you can tweak the text and images visible to your visitors. It's crucial to keep this information updated to maintain relevance and engagement with your audience. Next, there is the Pages section. This is where you can modify the structure of your website by adding new pages or editing existing ones. Navigating efficiently and organizing your content strategically can enhance your user's experience significantly. Moving on to styles, this section is about aesthetics. From fonts and colors to the overall layout of each page, style settings allow you to infuse your brand's personality into your website, making it unique and visually appealing. For those interested in leveraging cutting-edge technology, the section on AI tools is a treasure trove. Hostinger provides AI-based solutions that can optimize your content or suggest improvements. This is a fantastic way to polish your site with minimal effort. If you're into blogging, the blog content section is where you can publish, edit, and manage all your blog posts. Given the vital role blogs play in SEO and customer engagement, this feature is indispensable for content creators. In the store content area, you can take charge of your e-commerce offerings, manage products, set prices, and organize your store layout all from this intuitive interface. It's designed to streamline your operations and enhance your customers' shopping experience. SEO tools are also readily available, ensuring your site is search engine optimized. These settings help improve your visibility and ranking on search engines, which is crucial for attracting organic traffic. Under the More tab, you'll discover additional features and settings. This area gives you more flexibility to further refine your site, providing ample opportunities to tailor everything to your precise needs. Last but definitely not least, make sure to explore the image changing options. Visuals play a critical role in keeping your audience engaged, so keep your imagery fresh and vibrant to capture visitors' attention. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to editing your website on Hostinger. Follow these steps, and you'll have full control over every aspect of your site, empowering you to create a web presence that's entirely your own. Happy editing!